Ever watched a video on Facebook and then couldn't find it again? Don't worry, Facebook actually keeps a record of the videos you've watched. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to check your recently watched videos on Facebook in just a few simple steps. Step 1. Open Facebook. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. Step 2. Open the menu. Now look at the top corner of the screen and tap on the three-line menu icon, also called the hamburger menu. Step 3. Go to Settings. Scroll down a little until you see Settings and Privacy. Tap on it to expand the options, then select Settings. Step 4. Find Activity Log. Inside the Settings page, scroll down until you see Your Activity. From there, tap on Activity Log. Step 5. Check Watched Videos. In the Activity Log, tap your Facebook activity, scroll down and tap Manage Post. Next, tap Filters and then tap Categories. Then choose videos you've watched from the categories list. Step 6. View your history. Now you'll see a list of the videos you recently watched on Facebook, along with the dates. From here, you can easily find a video you want to watch again. And that's it. That's how you can quickly find your recently watched videos on Facebook. If this tip helped you, don't forget to like, share, and follow for more simple tech tips.